Do you want to open it? Okay. Here we go. I think we might have to. Oops. Okay, we have to open it up inside the box. I know, it's a choo-choo water tower. Water. You put water in there. Wow. Let's open up this box. Wow. Here it comes. There he is. There's Thomas. Wow. Look, here's another choo-choo. Two choo-choos. Two choo-choos. Yeah, they go together. And then this is a track we get to put together with Daddy. Isn't that fun? Can you say thank you?
Buddy, say it to the camera. Bridger.
Say thank you to Mimi.
Bridger, look at me. Bridger. Bridger, look and say thank you.
Say thank
over
you
here.
to the camera. Can you say thank you to the camera?